So in this video is for both NEET 2021 and 2022 aspirants. I want you to first, please don't make first comment, first like, not required. Please watch this video till the end. You will find it very useful because I continuously get these questions like, sir, give me a timetable. Sir, tell me how many chapters to complete in a week. Sir, tell me what I should do. Sir, I'm not being able to increase my score in the mock test. Hopefully you will get answer to all these questions. The title of this video is Methodical Preparation is Required. There is no need to get hyper. There is no need to get hyper. How do you do methodical preparation? First thing that you need to understand is NEET is expected twice. You already know JEE is happening 4 times. And it is possible that next year NEET might also happen 4 times. What that means is you have to plan for yourself. In America, the exam that happens for MBBS happens for more than 10 to 15 times a year. That means no one can tell you a schedule. No one can tell you a timetable. You have to design a timetable for yourself, and self-learning at your own pace and planning for yourself is the best way to prepare. No one can tell you a timetable. Only you can know it yourself by deciding a few things. What are those few things? Let's come here. You should know how much time is remaining in the exam, right? And this is very generic. Someone who's watching it for JEE can also figure out that it is exactly the same there as well. But let's talk in terms of NEET only. So 2021, 19 weeks remaining. 2022, you can say around 60 weeks remaining, right? How many chapters are remaining for you? How many chapters you need to complete? And third thing you need to know is what is your rate of chapter completion? You know this, you know this, you don't know this. So what you need to do is take 1 week and try and figure out how many chapters you are able to complete in 1 week. Simple. So you will know this as well. Based on that, you will be able to figure out in how much time you can complete your syllabus. If you are able to do 2 chapters a week, you are going to write NEET exam in 2021 and all 96 chapters remain. That means you will not get selected this year. You will probably get selected next year. That is okay. You will not help yourself by trying to do 10 chapters in a week, not being able to understand anything, and that will show up in your mock test score. That is why a lot of people who call me, so mock test score is not improving, because they are going at a speed at which they are not able to understand. The other thing I can tell you is, broadly speaking, 1 chapter from scratch, if you don't know the chapter, will take around 20 hours. Where did I come up with this 20 hours? I've told you to complete a chapter, you have to watch videos and take notes. Second step, read NCERT. And third step is question practice. Correct? Question practice. And question practice, we have told you greater than 50% correct. These questions are marked on our platform and from NCERT. Right? Now, what I'm telling you is in terms of an average. Average means living world might happen faster. Organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques might take longer. Molecular basis of inheritance might take longer. And your strategies for enhancement and food production might get finished faster. Redox reaction might take less. Equilibrium might take more. On an average, 12 hours for watching videos and taking notes. 3 hours for reading NCERT and 5 hours for question practice. So this comes out to be 20 hours. I'm saying on an average, right? So if you are able to study 5 to 6 hours a day, you will be able to finish 2 chapters in 7 days from scratch. If you have already prepared, you don't need to go through the videos and read NCERT. You just need to do this. Then you require 5 hours. If you have already studied those chapters and you are very comfortable that you will be able to solve questions, solve it. You will find out yourself. If you are not able to solve it, that means you don't know the theory, then you have to do the complete thing, right? So this is the second thing. Doing 1 chapter requires on an average 20 hours. Simple. Third, you require additional time for mock test. So 60 weeks remaining in 2022, let's say, you say to yourself, I'm going to write a mock test every 2 weeks. So you're going to write 30 mock tests. Whatever mock tests you're going to write, 30 mock tests, multiply that by 20, you require additional 600 hours in the time remaining for, let's say, NEET 2022. If you're preparing for NEET 2021, 19 weeks remaining, you say you are going to write 10 to 15 mock tests. You can multiply that by 20 hours. Why am I saying 20 hours? Before mock test, you have to revise 10 to 15 hours, 3 hours of mock test, 3 to 4 hours of postmortem, around 20 hours, right? This is all you need to know. Peacefully go through this video again. Try and understand what I'm trying to say. I cannot tell you what your schedule is going to be. I don't know your pace. I don't know at what speed you can complete the chapters. Take 1 week and find out for yourself. You will be able to find out for yourself. You might be slow, doesn't matter. That doesn't mean that you will not get selected in NEET. It might happen that by your pace, by your speed, you might not get selected this year, but you will get selected next year. But if you get hyper and if you are going unnecessarily fast, you will never get selected. Every year the same story will happen. The time remaining is less. You will try and finish a lot of things. You will not be able to. You have to find out your own pace with which you are comfortable and then prepare accordingly. Very, very important, students, that you understand when exam is going to happen multiple times, you will have to study by yourself. No coaching, no live class. That is why we have said that we are going to do only recorded courses, because through recorded course, you can do self-learn and you can do self-plan. Once you have figured this out, set 2-week targets. You have micro target facility available. And every 2 weeks, keep finishing the chapters you have kept in the target and give tests for it. But keep it reasonable. Keep it as per the rate of chapter completion, as per the speed at which you are comfortable. Let me quickly show you in the website where all these things are. So you go to course content. See videos, watching videos, taking notes, reading NCERT, question practice, tests. And the remaining things are for you to remember things. So you can bookmark, you can use flashcard, mind maps, all these things. But watching videos, taking notes while watching videos, reading NCERT, practicing question, writing mock tests. As simple as that, right? You don't need to worry too much. You have to prepare comfortably. If you're not going to prepare comfortably, then with the hassle, with the tension, with the trouble which is sitting in your mind, nothing will get retained in your head. It is very important that you understand that people who are getting selected are peaceful people. Hyper people don't get selected, because that hyper situation will get you destroyed in the NEET exam. You require peace of mind. And to acquire peace of mind, the first thing that is important is you need to know at what pace you can finish things, and you would know it better for yourself, more than anyone else, more than me, more than anyone else, right? So what I want you to do is, in the comment section, tell me if you have understood very clearly what you need to do. If you still have any questions, I again want to say to you, self-learning and self-planning is the only way to crack NEET, and for that matter, any other exam or any other thing you want to achieve in life. This is the only way. No one else can plan for you. No one else can study for you. You have to do it yourself, and you have to plan yourself. If you have not understood anything that I've said in the video, ask me in the comment section. But hopefully, it should be clear now. This is how you organize your studies. All right, students.